So here we are again. Here we are again. It's another day entirely. Uh so without wasting much of our time, so we're just going to go back to us straight to what we are here to do today. Actually, today is another week, and the market is opening around 12 a.m. on the next day Monday. So what uh we actually have to do is a weekly recap, weekly analysis for the whole week, Monday to Friday, and that's what we want to do now. And if you find something useful in this video, smash the subscribe button, smash the like button, turn on the notification button, and you will be seeing a notification of our upcoming videos like this. So, if that's the case, let's dive in. So the first, so since we are doing our weekly analysis for the whole week this week probably, so we'll be making analysis down from weekly down to 15 minutes. So I can actually include a minute time frame there. So and so to weekly time frame. Actually, I haven't done this before. Yeah, I actually don't do this before, but or just want to actually start trying, and I'll be trying doing this every single Sunday before the market open for Sydney session. And here we are. So but see, gold is a massive PA. See, is a crazy PA, honestly. So as you can see here, yeah, wait. So we're going to bullish on weekly time frame, bro, bro, bullish. So we're actually bullish on my now weekly time frame. So market is what has been on a bullish momentum. As you can see, so market starts a trend from this point here. So I can actually see that okay, we have what, so we have this pullback, breakout, pullback, and massive breakout. Markets pull back to this point here. So the market go like this, but never take out what these previous this week high. So come back like this. Supposed to take out this week high, but never take out the week high. And that is a sign that market's what is weakening. And market come back again. Break out this with a sign that market what is coming bearish. And here as you can see market breakout. So breakout, and we actually see another change of trend. So we form a new low, but this new high, but this high never take out this weak low, the strong low. So and market go back and break structure, giving a sign about the trend changing and form a dump bottom pattern from this point here. You can take a buy position from here. Market keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. So till we take out this high, and this where the trend change. That's where the trend change. Actually, that is not where the trend change. So the trend has changed from this point here. High lows, higher lows. As you can see, high low, uh, market didn't take it out. So as you can see, we take this out, pull back, take this out, pull back, take it 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 out. All those small pullbacks and just like trend on daily time frame. So and that is how it is. So what we can currently see on our weekly time frame is that gold is bullish. That is just it. So breakout, So form a new high, pullback, breakout, pullback, breakout. And we're expecting pullback from this point here. Actually, if you go toward our daily time frame, so so and that is how it is. So as I can actually see here, so on a daily time frame, it's actually another structure for me because a push on a weekly time frame just look like a trend on a daily time frame. And that is how it goes. The reaches of 1 minute time frame. That is how it is. So you can see structure pullback, structure. So let's go back to this high. Take out this high. So if we want a confirmation, give us a more confirmation about what so we actually see a rejection from this point here, and there's your actually. So if we go to 15 minute time frame, so if you actually go to 15 minute time frame there, so we actually say that that's where the trend end. So for 15 time frame, and actually I took long position from that point here. So and I try to form my trading journal, exactly my trading journal. So so and this is how it is. So my trading journal for the type of different type of account actually I'm trying to watch to trade this one. So this demo account and so these are live trade accounts. So what type of account it is. So it may be a demo, maybe type of account it is here. And this backtest gallery. Actually I haven't checked backtest or is it just that I actually do know how to use the replay mode. So when I get money and I subscribe with my trading view, I can actually use this backtest mode and a trading view. And maybe that's gonna work for me. So go back to the chart. So here, structure, right? Structure, pullback, structure, expect pullback, expect what market take out the what this week high. So if you go for a time frame, so that's how it is. So for a time frame, so we have this trend change on that trend. So pullback, structure, might pull this back. So pullback, and we are here on the point or the rejection upon. So I can also actually see another rejection from this point here also. So giving us a more confirmation of what uh of the trade we took. So we go to 15 time frame, the same thing happens, and we actually what going forward long position from this point here until we take out this what we high, and that is time for what good. So going for USDT, let's see USDJPY. So going for USDJPY. So we go to our weekly time frame. That's the first thing we're going to do. Then we check it out. So so before we proceed, so one thing I actually say is trader. See, only three things form successful trader. The first thing is a strategy. You have a proven strategy, a strategy that work proper in the market. So and the second one is a risk management because that is a core of every business plan. You know the amount you're risking, so you probably taking calculated risk. And last one is a mindset psychology. So that's what the patient, trusting your strategy, trusting your plan, following your rules. Because sometimes I take a trade and want the analysis is right and market will never move an inch, but we are not patient, have a patient activities and you close the trade. Actually, I come back and see that the world market have traded with 1,000 people, probably hit your take profit and even go further. So and that depends on psychology aspect. So you have to take the three parts together in order for you to become a successful trader. And that's so going back to what USDJPY. So on a weekly or so on a weekly time frame. So what I can see here is that we actually bullish. So we take a trade. So we take out this low, and this another low form. We're supposed to take out this low, but wasn't take out. So as from there, we actually change our trades. So another trade form, pull back to this point here, Fibonacci, pull back, actually take out what. So it's the first sign, it's just a market structure shift. So market structure shift. So first sign was maybe the trend is changing. So we take out this high, pull back, take it out, then pull back here, we change trend again, trend. So it might actually be a pullback. Actually be a pullback from this point here. Pull back, we take it out. Then we take it out. So probably now on the four or on a 1 minute time frame or on a weekly time frame or probably trend. So pull back, take out the trade. Then we take what we form bearish again. We train bearish again. We expect pullback. Then what we train down. So on a weekly time frame, we're trailing a downtrend. So we are actually in a downtrend to what I'm seeing currently here. And also, let me tell you one thing before we proceed again. You see, only thing you have is what your perspective about market information, because market only generates information neutral. So market doesn't care about what you see as an opportunity or what you see as a loss. So your belief, and you believe, so what you contribute, what you actually think, what you say, and what you do as a trader, and a point in time. So when you're doing it and what you're thinking about, when you're doing it, contribute to your belief of what of your being a successful trader. So and also your mindset, your psychology is very crucial. So and that is that about that. So to what I'm seeing here, I'm actually seeing that okay, on the week time frame, we probably switch bearish. So we probably switch bearish from this point here. So we'll probably see that we haven't so we haven't had a confirmation trend change. So until we have a two higher low, or two low high. So expecting second high low to form here. Meanwhile, it has formed already. I can see that. It has formed. Yeah, of course, it has formed. So that's some I will probably take out this this low here. So we are probably what on a bearish trend. Now you go to daily time frame. So the same thing happens. So you go to daily time frame. So this is what we take out. Thank you. You see, not even that. Okay. So it's from a different perspective. So it's just a trend that push, but weekly level is a trend. So as you can see here, so structure sheet or break, pull back, break structure, pull back, break structure, pull back, break structure, or pull back, but we now take out that previous high. So and we break down again. Then we expect pullback and break down again. That's what we expect because we're probably in a bad down trend, in a bullish trend. Yeah, exactly, in a bullish down trend. So now, so we have taken out this week low. So to what I'm seeing here, we are so if we are currently having our point of interest, and these are from probably say this will take out this eye. But let me take a Fibonacci. So the market might come to 15% and try to pull back. Anything can happen. The market might come back to this extreme and take out the and probably a reverse turn. Now you go to forward time frame. So this was a C. So you just like okay. So pull back, break out, pull back, break out, change of trend, pull back, break out, pull back, break out. Okay. So we now but we pull back, but we now take this high. So we buy from this opportunity from here, we break out, pull back to this point here, break out, then break out again, come back trend, pull back to what is what, then boom again, break out. So you break out. So according to the brief trend, then we expect pullback. So it is that from this extreme or here. So we expect the trend to end. I mean, for the pullback, so on the far line, we actually know that that pullback on the far line is actually what. So a trend on the 15. Now, if you go to 15 time frame, so this one we're seeing. So as you can see on Friday, so we're currently in that downtrend. So we're currently in that downtrend. Market consolidating, breakout, maybe manipulation, of course, manipulation, market breakout again, switching bullish. So if this, you see, this is actually what we need. So it is either this, so or this. So so market breakouts out of this one. So we know that this pullback is currently take out. Then we can pull back. So when take out, you can take another trade from here targeting this uh this extreme supply. So, and if market break out to this downside, we are going back down. So it means that when market break out, so it's a sign that what this market structure shift and this high was weak and wasn't able to what take out this weak high. So probably in this one switching a strong high and taking out this weak high. So anything can happen. So we can't really put our what our analysis here. So the low position also, low position. So and that is what my analysis for the whole week for this USDJPY. So remember one pair we have to be fast because time is on our side, and that is USD30. USD30 we go to 1 minute time frame, we're actually switching bearish. So we are actually bearish because we are uptrend, and here uptrend. As you can see here from the bottom, but wasn't taking able to take out this weak high and probably come back and take her this strong low. This will probably strong changing to a strong high, and, and what we actually pull back. Can actually see this one is not a small pull back, and we go again. We expect what pull back. So we keep going momentumly. So if you go to daily time frame, the same thing. So it's just what pull back. So we pull back here. So pull back. Suppose the and take out the body strain. The market pull back to this point here. So if you go to forward time frame, you can actually see clearly that so we're currently in what in a downtrend, up from here. So I can actually see from here. From here, trend change. So and here is another confirmation of a trend change. So we pull back to the and we keep going momentum. It was a drastic down move. So we expect a pullback, but market keep going down. And if you go to 15 time frame, that's when we actually see what is going on here. So what is actually going on here? So we are actually in a downtrend, still in downtrend. We have a switch uptrend. So anything can happen. So we put another entry on this point here, especially on my market to reach point. So when market which is just extreme because we actually broke out momentumly. There wasn't a reaction for the break. That is how. So if market break out here, we're going for long, and market show a sign of rejection or trying to sign of pulling back from this point here. So we're going for short, and that is how it is. So and that is our analysis for the weekly outlook for this week, start from Sunday till uh coming Friday. And that is that for today. Thank you very much. See you.